beautiful city of Mostar in Bosnia and Herzegovina offers an amazing backdrop for the sixth stop of the Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series. There's a long-standing history of diving from the legendary Stari Most Bridge. An 8-metre tower is placed on top of the 20-metre bridge to provide 28 metres of freefall for the best cliff divers in the world to show off their skills. The locals love their bridge and they love their cliff diving too, and they really know how to show their appreciation for this sport. After a long season, fatigue begins to set in even for the best. After 5 wins in a row, and for the first time this season, Gary Hunt misses the podium. David Kulturi, with an outstanding last dive, pulls off a score of 10, and not forgetting to mention the highest scoring dive of the competition to secure 3rd place. The only person in the world performing a reverse 4 somersaults is Sergio Guzman from Mexico. For the first time in the history of the Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series, a wild card hits the podium, and this very happy man is in 2nd place.
My first podium, I don't know, I'm super happy. I'm crying. Oh, I can't believe it.
Proving that supreme style and grace is a force to be reckoned with, Jonathan Paredes takes his first ever win. This was one incredible display of rip entries, time and time again.
I've been working hard with myself to be more relaxed, to trust in myself, and today I did it, so what can I say? I'm super happy.
Change of faces on the podium and big smiles all round makes for a great way to conclude the competition. Well, that's a wrap for Bosnia and Herzegovina, but the World Series moves on to the next stop in Polignano a Mare, Italy on the 13th of September.